Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a closer look at Robinhood, accessible through their website at https://robinhood.com. This platform has garnered a lot of attention, and for good reason. It offers a streamlined and user-friendly interface for investing, making it an appealing option for those new to the market or looking for a more simplified experience. Robinhood allows users to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies, all within a single application. One of the key features that initially drew users to Robinhood was its commission-free trading model. This made investing more accessible to a wider audience, removing the barrier of entry that commission fees often presented. However, it's important to note that while trades themselves are commission-free, other fees may apply, so it's crucial to understand the fee structure fully before diving in. The platform's mobile app is especially well regarded for its intuitive design and ease of navigation. It provides a clear and concise overview of your portfolio, making it easy to track your investments and their performance. You can set up watch lists to follow specific stocks or sectors you're interested in, and receive real-time market data and news updates to stay informed. While Robinhood is praised for its simplicity, it's important to acknowledge that this streamlined approach may not be suitable for all investors. Those looking for more advanced charting tools, in-depth research resources, or complex order types may find the platform's offering somewhat limited. It's essential to consider your individual investment needs and preferences when choosing a platform, and weigh the pros and cons of Robinhood's simplified approach against the features of other brokerage services. It's a great starting point for beginners, but experienced traders might find they outgrow it as their investment strategies evolve.